Hi everyone, in this video I will be demonstrating how to create a calendar event with a Google Hangout Meet invitation attached to that. So the first thing you'll want to do is sign into Google with your Caldwell email. Then you'll go to this app icon in the top right corner and you'll select the Calendar app. Once you're in your Google Calendar, you can start to create a meeting. So if you know the date and time of your meeting, say for instance tomorrow at 10 o'clock, I would just select into that appropriate cell and it would start generating a meeting based on that date and time. Otherwise, you can click on this create button and select the date and time that way. So I click the button and I'm just going to give this a meaningful name. Well, you would want to give your meeting a meaningful name to identify it for yourself and for the guests. I'm just using meeting examples since this is just an example. Then I'm going to select the date and time. So, maybe I know my meeting is going to be next Friday, the 20th, from 2:30 to 3:30, for example. You'll see that starting to generate here in the Friday the 20th column. Then the next thing you'll want to do is add guests. So for example, I'll just add myself, my personal email here. Okay, so I added a guest. You would add all of your guests there. Then you'd also want to select Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. And what that will do is it'll automatically generate a code for you. So as long as everyone has this invitation, they have easy access to this meeting. Another way you can share the link is by clicking to expand these details about the Google Hangout Meet. You can hover over the meeting ID link and right click on it and click copy. Then you have it copied for yourself so you can email it, you can post it somewhere, or whatever you need to do with it, you have it copied. If you were meeting in person, this is where you would be able to meet, to enter the meeting room or location where it's at. Additionally, you can add a description. This meeting is about, and then provide details there. And you can also add an attachment. So say for instance, you're going over a document during your meeting, or maybe you have a presentation that you want to share, you can add that there so everyone has it. Now that I'm done and I have the meeting date and time scheduled, I have my guests, I created a Google Hangout Meet Room, I can click Save. And it will prompt you to answer, would you like to send this invitation to your guests? And you would click yes. And it also may prompt you to approve inviting external guests, which would be anyone not in the Caldwell community. So I entered my personal email, and so I would just say, yes, invite external guests. And then that meeting will be generated there. Then at the time of the meeting, you would simply just click on it. I double clicked on it to edit, but if I just click on it once, I just see the details, and then I click join with Google Meet. Again, also you can click copy here to copy the meeting code. Say you need to just send it to someone quickly, you can do that, and then you can click join with the Google Meet and it will just automatically open for you. And then additionally, anyone else with a Google Calendar will be able to see this meeting as soon as they accept it. That will add to their calendar and they will have this additional easy access to this meeting. Good luck. Thanks.